Red vet. Y'all seen her red vet? Oh, boy. Yeah, now I'm waiting on them to do the Mustang. I got a new race to go now. Okay. Jack, I'm gonna run Jackie. She got a vet. I'm gonna run her. She got these big old tires on her. I'm gonna run her. Street car though, small block. I got a small block. I'm gonna try to, boy, man, I cut good lights. Man, they talking about she gonna chop my head off. Boy, I'ma whoop her ass. I ain't playing. Jackie, you better be ready. I need to get on. I can't be on this side.
No,
what's wrong with this?
He's got exclusive rights over here.
Exclusive? I ain't getting in his way.
No, he films this whole area.
Oh, this area? All right, well, let him go. Let him go. Damn. He done turned that thing up. Hey, Ronnie, man. Hey, Ronnie, we can't be right here, man. Murder got exclusive rights right here, man. Me, you. Hey, Forever Grudge, we gotta go, man. Yeah. I'm trying to go this way. I ain't even in nobody's way. Huh? I ain't trying to let them run me, yo. I'm just, y'all hear they go with this stuff. I ain't did shit wrong. I've been all the way on the damn gate and I gotta move, y'all. I still gotta move. It's getting more people. Shit, no, I ain't moving, man. Where you gonna go, shit? Man, we got plenty of people back here. Get a security guard. I'm gonna give him a. I'm behind murder here. Can't complain about me. Yeah, where them Skittles go? Somebody that $8 damn Skittles. Hey, my people who on TikTok. Y'all come to my YouTube channel. I got it in HD. Left lane for the win. I think. Oh shit, right lane. Yeah, I don't know what the hell I was thinking. They say right lane got down there first. Oh, how am I ain't even moved.
It doesn't matter. They don't want anybody here. You were almost in the lane. Get over there, everybody. I'm not gonna tell you again, or you'll.
I'm behind him.
It doesn't matter. It's a deal that he has worked with them. With the
oh man. Well, when they move, I'll move.
Everybody move. Everybody go.
Let me get behind them so you can get them first. Get them. Make them move first. Don't get me. Hey, how you doing, man? You on my YouTube channel? Look out. Get their ass. Leave me alone.
Tell my people to somebody, right?
Oh yeah. Yeah, get him. Yeah, get his ass. Get his ass. Yeah. They trying to talk about somebody in the way. I told y'all they be trying to pick on me. Ain't nobody in nobody's way. See, I know how to handle it. Get him. Don't get me. Don't get me. They always want to bother me. Get them! Get them! Get them! Okay.
What the fuck, bro? You know what I'm saying? That's
Okay.
dangerous. You can't move. Yeah, he's good. Like, they've been good. Everybody good. I just saw him. And
Okay,
literally,
okay.
his foot was on the white line, bro.
Okay, they
Like,
said,
damn near.
Murder said his foot was on the white line.
Dude, if a car hits you, bro, you're fucking dead, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, everybody good. Yeah, like, nah, bro.
Yeah. Yeah, get them. Get them.
Cortez,
Huh?
so what happened was, like, everybody cool.
Yeah.
I was pointing at him because he was standing right here when
Yeah.
the car took off. Imagine if a car.
It go. All they gotta do is go sideways.
He out
Yeah.
there, bro.
I'm standing behind you.
That's what I'm saying,
I'm gonna be behind you. They ain't gonna bother me. I'm gonna be way back here, y'all. I'm gonna be way back here, y'all.
We'll get this motherfucker, look at.
Huh?
We'll get this motherfucker.
Oh, y'all get it for
In
me?
the gutter, man.
Oh, okay.
People don't know where the hell.
Oh, okay.
We in the
Damn.
gutter, man.
Oh, they talking about jumping this gate, y'all. They better get this shit situated. I'ma stay right here. Who? Born in Fife?
That's a
I
renegade.
don't even know. Oh, rent a cop.
on his back.
Okay. Okay,
They
they
don't say police, they say security.
okay, they said that's a rental cop. They rented him from Hertz, y'all. They got him. They got him from Hertz, y'all. They charged on lot, got insurance and everything, y'all. Yeah. Huh? What happened? How you doing? Yeah, I got. Did I bring? Man, where? Miss, I don't know where the stickers is. I think the stickers in the car. You gonna be here all night? Dang. Okay, when they stop racing, I'm gonna go to the car and I'm gonna get the stickers and then just locate me again. I'm gonna have them in my pocket. I'm gonna have them. Let me make sure I ain't got nothing.
Hey, y'all, sorry about that. That was a little.
Yeah, I left them in that car. They in that backpack.
Already know before you walked
They in that backpack.
He should come over there fucking with nobody. He caught fucking with
Yeah,
the man right here first.
I'm trying. He tried to get me first. I got behind.
Get his feet.
Damn, y'all want me to get her number? She just went right back over there with her man. I got some disrespectful people on YouTube. YouTube, get her number. She was by herself. Her man sent her, y'all. Y'all gonna have the security come over here. Midwest Street Car say she definitely getting a sticker. Oh man, y'all is funny, man. That's why I be having a good time on here, y'all. Hey, Rudy Ramundo, I ain't gonna forget that. Y'all ain't gonna let me forget that sticker.